Now we are going to learn l'imperative, the imperative form of two of the special verbs, avoir and être. So as usual, these verbs are not the same as the others. For avoir, so again for tu, for nous and for vous. So for tu, in the tu form, you write A-I-E. I du courage. I du courage. For nous, ayons du courage. And for vous, ayez du courage. So this is the imperative form of the verb avoir. In the negative, you just have to add ne and pas. N'ayez pas peur. Do not fear. N'ayez pas peur. N'ayons pas peur. N'ayez pas peur. So this is how you write the negative form, just ne and pas. Next, moving on to the verb être. So now you know how to write the imperative form of avoir. Être. For être it is, again, this is for tu, this is for nous, and this is for vous. So for tu it is sois calme. Sois calme. Be calm. Soyons calme. Soyons calme. Soyez calme. So all these mean be calm. The subject alone is different. To make this negative, it's this same. You just have to add ne before and pas after. Ne sois pas stressé. Do not get stressed. Ne soyons pas stressés. Ne soyez pas stressés. So all you have to do is remember these three words. So for être, the words are sois, soyons and soyez. For avoir, it is I, ayons, ayez. So if you remember these words, you can write the imperative form of the following verbs.